my package, and I got this. And I waited to get one of these for a long time, and I finally got one. So I opened it, and I didn't touch anything inside, but I looked. So yeah, I'm wondering what this emoji thing is because I really want to see it. Oh, it's a cup. It's this little blue snowman thing. I like that. Oh, the slime. I can't show you that. Okay, I will show that last.
Oh, I heard chocolate.
And they said it was candy slime.
Oh well.
Oh my god! These headphones are cute.
Just like me.
You aggravated. Oh my god, these are adorable.
Like
You're not adorable, you're beautiful. God.
I'm adorable.
Oh! Okay, I'm gonna make a different video with that. And the last thing I got was this book. And I like Elsa, so yeah. Let's read it to you guys. No, I'm just show y'all the slime. Oh. Put this back. This back. Put this back. And put this back. Now the slime! Okay, so it's a candy slime. I think it's Altoids up. I don't know. But let's focus more on the table. Oops, so y'all can see it. Free. She thought you was... Yes. It's so inspirational.
What song do you want?
Oh. This smells really good. Oh.
Did you know treat me like somebody and then how could you play me?
Oh my god. Oh, it's just butter. Can I eat this? This smells so good. I'm gonna try it, but if I die, it's okay. I'm just playing. If I die, put $1,000 in my gravestone. 1, 2, 3. Before I do that, I would like to do a challenge for you guys. I would like to see if you can subscribe to my channel in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And if you did that, put in the comments, I did it. So, yeah. Let's do this. Alright, ready? Set, go. Wait. It's really good.
Oh, okay. I'll say number 1.
She put it on. That's really good. It's hard to find.
Good. No,
I found you all the way. It's not clicky. Oh, it's not clicky. So if you're frozen, doesn't compose, try to control and let you be free, doesn't deceive, taking you a chance to believe in something. Is that too much? Cause I've been on a search and I'm losing my hope. Is that too much? Is that too much? Trying to find love in a world so cold out. Is that... Y'all daring me? I can't.
No, what is that?
Wait, what she say? The lipstick challenge.
Just so sick. I'm so late right now.
What's the so sick challenge?
I don't know. Maria. First, I got a question. Did you do your homework? Me.
Oh! Me. No, litter! Litter, no! I'm sorry, my cat. She just bit. Ew. I gotta get her hair out. Oh my god, litter is so disgusting. Look what she bit. Go. Go.
Oh, that was lit, bro.
What's she saying?